Monday afternoon, Finance Minister Kevin Falcon introducing legislation to return to the PST by April 1st, 2013. As promised, all permanent exemptions that existed before the HST came in will be restored with this semi-new tax system.
There will be no PST on purchases like food, restaurant meals, bicycles, gym memberships, movie tickets, or for personal services like haircuts, just as it was previously. This legislation is the first step in modernizing and streamlining the former Provincial Sales Tax Act. So while we're responding to the referendum by returning to the PST, we're also going to make some what I would call long overdue clarifications and administrative improvements to make sure we bring back something that's a heck of a lot easier for the public to deal with, particularly the business community. We negotiated, I believe, some very favorable repayment terms with the federal government for the $1.6 billion of transition payments to be repaid to the federal government. I think it's very important that people understand that it has to be introduced and passed this session, not only because that provides the legal authority necessary for government to move forward with regulations, but also to ensure we meet the commitment we've made to British Columbians to return to the PST by April the 1st of 2013. The next step is starting almost immediately. Staff will be working in consultation with businesses to develop the supporting regulations. So these regulations will include the balance of the exemptions that we have previously committed to provide. So all the detail that goes into drafting the regulations will take place in consultation with business, make sure we get it right, because the business community in the fall has to know exactly how those rules affect them, and we want to make sure we get that right.